Here we are at 301 something. I will provide that in the description. We got ourselves some really beautiful Westinghouse elevators. Here at the Lone Star Gas House. Hello. Thank you. I think these are travertine floors. But check out this elevator lobby. This is really cool. Look at those light fixtures. I mean, this is fancy. I only went on the first bank on the other side of the building. I had no idea that these existed. It's kind of unfortunate though that there was 3 running at one point, but they have since cordoned off this last one. Almost looks like they anticipated putting in even more elevators, but I have no idea. I know Diesel DC likes these, so here's your letterbox. I'll show you the chute at the top floor. But yeah, this is a really beautiful lobby. Wow. And cam for scale. Hello. All right, let's see which one we get. All right, we'll start with this one. Cabs are the same as the other ones. Hello. And because I couldn't tell what the other ones were, this one was helpful. It actually told me. Hello. Are you gonna come up? I guess I don't need you just yet, but might as well. And this is, again, the service style, so it's got a taller cab. All right. Honestly, these are worthy of 2 rides each. They are worthy. It's too bad these fixtures are have been modded. I would like to see what it was before. Alright, we'll head down to 1 and we'll swap cars. Why does it cancel my call sometimes? What a nice quirky controller. I like that wind whistling sound. As you go down, there's a lot of pressure in the shaft. And then these advancing floor position indicators are fun too. They speed way past where you actually are. It makes it look like this thing's a rocket. But to be fair, Westinghouse does make some rockets. In fact, the Sheraton Hotel just down the street, that has some serious rockets in it. All right, so we'll send this one up. Ready? I mean, look at all this detail. Like, no one builds elevators like this anymore, which is really unfortunate. All right, let's take the next one. Now this one, for whatever reason, the cab is a little bit darker, but I have a surprise for you guys. That little hole in the ceiling, you can actually see the shaft. So we'll try to do a shaft view. So we'll take one ride up and down first, and then we'll try to do a shaft view. There's Mr. Security. Actually, before we go, can you hold the door open for me? I'm gonna show off this floor. So you can see the old elevator has been kind of blocked off there. Just these two remain. Ooh. Cool. And then of course, mail drop box. All right, you ready? Yeah, no cab lights in here, huh? Actually, let me see that. Anything worthy in here? Wow, that shaft goes up quite a lot more. Very cool. All right, here, go ahead and turn that off. And then we'll go down to 1, and then we'll do our shaft view. All right. Let's see if we can figure this out. So go ahead and shine the light. Actually, here, do this. I'll have you choose the floor. I'm gonna see if my light, let's turn it up. Oh, it's on the lowest setting. Oops, sorry, I just blinded you. This is a Nebo. Super nice bright light. Oh, we're going up automatically. It must be parking. Okay, I can barely see in that shaft. A little unfortunate. Let's see. Yep. Now it would be interesting from a security standpoint. Ah, good. Okay, so this controller will not let you open the door, so neat. If you want, you can go ahead and send us up to, oh, there we go. I can kind of see the doors. So yeah, you can go ahead and send us up to 11 and then back down to 1. Yeah, it'd be really cool if we could get a shaft view, but oh well. All right, you want to send us down to 1? You don't need the key. Just press 1. Yeah, you can't see too much, but it'll kind of give you some speed context. This is a tall building. The floors are very tall. So it is a very fast elevator. All right. Again, beautiful details leaving the elevator. And see you guys next time.